Alright, well. This is kind of an exciting reason to be leaving out here. And I'm gonna leave that as hold on a second. Leave that as, yeah, hold on. So we're getting a delivery today. Gotta go meet the truck out the street. It's gonna be a great surprise. Hold on. There we go. These two in the back here. And your Mercs gets a snapperoonie. Alright. Well, gee, what are those for? Oh, like something big's gonna go in here. Something big. Something big's gotta come out after it's in there. Yeah. Slow down. Opportunity to see how much of the pile I have moved into the yard, pushed around, smeared all over the driveway. Talk about timing. Do you see that stuff? Do you see? There he is. Right there. Oh, he's doing a jackknife turnaround. Alrighty, Aphrodite. You know how this goes, right? You know how this goes. I'll show you more in a minute. Alright. I'm gonna back up to this guy and interface with him. Just like this. Swing out here like this. Pull back on up like this. We're gonna find out where his stuff is. So hold on 1 second. See where he wants me to go. Yeah. Shake and bake, baby. We just hooked one to the back of his tractor and slid. The two of us just slid the whole thing into the back of the truck. Done. Can you tell what it is? Can you tell? Hello? Can't hear you. Listen. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, now you know where I live. Keys. That's what I wanted to see. Alright, let's get back to the house. Talk about being close. Carter! Welcome to Sherry's Extreme Petting Zoo. There is lots of stuff for you to come and do. Come on down to Sherry's, get you some love, 'cause down at Sherry's Extreme Petting Zoo, that's why you go. Okay, there you go outside. It's glowing. Okay, here we go. Alright. It's over here by the tool section. Processing area. And there you have it. 3-point landscape rake. Alright. And now you have my and free pallet. That's that. That's awesome. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. You know I love you. Later. Bye.